Amazing people. Part 155. At this car wash, something special is happening. But before we dive in, if you find this kitty cute, please like and subscribe. Okay, back to our story. People with Down syndrome and other mental challenges work here, not just to clean cars, but to build confidence and break barriers. Some customers doubt them at first, but what they don't see is the effort, the learning, the growth. One mother shared that her son, who barely spoke for 20 years, started talking more after working here. Because this isn't just a car wash. It's a place that believes in second chances and silent strength.